Hello! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to change the color of an SVG in Webflow. So from your Webflow dashboard, you will have to open your project and you can just select whatever project that you would want to. And just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to click the embed element that holds the SVG, and then you will have to click edit embed, and then make sure that your SVG code has filled current color inside the tag, and then click save and close. And then with the embed selected, you will have to go to the style panel and add a class name. Under typography, change the text color, and then this will change the SVG color. However, if you uploaded an SVG as an image, then you won't be able to change the color directly in Webflow. You can instead open the SVG in a tool like Figma or Illustrator. You can change the color there and then export and re-upload it to Webflow. And that's basically it. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful.